Fast food gets a bad rap. It's often seen as the enemy of a healthy lifestyle. We all crave it sometimes. The convenience, the taste, the comfort it brings. It's quick, easy, and oh so tempting. But what if we could change the narrative? But what if I told you fast food can be healthy? Imagine enjoying your favorite meals without the guilt. You don't have to ditch your favorite meals to eat well. With a few simple tweaks, you can transform your fast food favorites into nutritious delights. Let's rediscover fast food the healthy way. We're talking fresh ingredients, simple swaps, and delicious recipes. Think whole grains instead of white bread, lean proteins, and plenty of veggies. Get ready to enjoy your favorite fast food, guilt-free. It's all about balance and making informed choices. It's all about making smart choices. Opt for grilled instead of fried. Add more greens and watch your portions. Let's ditch the guilt and embrace a healthier, happier you. With a little creativity, fast food can be both delicious and nutritious. So next time you're craving fast food, remember, you have the power to make it healthy. Traditional fast food is often loaded with unhealthy fats, sugars, and sodium. These ingredients can lead to weight gain and health problems. Think greasy burgers, sugary sodas, and processed ingredients. These foods lack the nutrients your body needs to thrive. They can leave you feeling sluggish and unsatisfied. It's time to say goodbye to the greasy spoon and hello to fresh, wholesome ingredients. Making healthy swaps is easier than you think. Swap white bread for whole wheat buns. Choose lean protein like grilled chicken or fish. Ditch the sugary sodas for water or unsweetened tea. Small changes make a big difference. Opt for baked fries instead of fried. Load up on veggies for added fiber and nutrients. You can enjoy the flavors you love without the guilt. Let's get cooking. Today, we're diving into some delicious and healthy alternatives to your favorite fast food cravings. These recipes are not only guilt-free, but also packed with nutrients to keep you energized and satisfied. First up, try a juicy turkey burger on a whole wheat bun. Turkey is a lean protein that's lower in fat compared to beef, making it a healthier choice without sacrificing flavor. Top it with fresh veggies and avocado for a healthy twist. Avocado adds a creamy texture and is loaded with healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. Mix ground turkey with chopped onions and herbs. Onions add a sweet and savory flavor, while herbs like parsley or cilantro bring a burst of freshness. Form into patties and grill or pan fry until cooked through. Make sure the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees to ensure they're fully cooked. Serve on a whole wheat bun with your favorite toppings. Whole wheat buns are a great source of fiber, which aids in digestion and keeps you feeling full longer. Craving fries? Make oven-baked sweet potato fries. Sweet potatoes are rich in vitamins A and C, and they have a natural sweetness that pairs perfectly with savory dishes. They're crispy, sweet, and packed with nutrients. Plus, baking them instead of frying reduces the amount of unhealthy fats. Cut sweet potatoes into wedges. The size of the wedges can affect the cooking time, so try to keep them uniform for even baking. Toss with olive oil, salt, and pepper. Olive oil is a heart-healthy fat, and seasoning with salt and pepper enhances the natural flavors of the sweet potatoes. Bake in a preheated oven until tender and slightly browned. This usually takes about 20 to 25 minutes at 425 degrees. For a refreshing treat, whip up a quick smoothie with fruits, veggies, and yogurt. Smoothies are a fantastic way to pack in a lot of nutrients in one go, and they're perfect for a quick breakfast or a post-workout snack. It's a delicious and nutritious meal replacement or snack. You can customize it to your taste and dietary needs. Blend your favorite fruits, like berries or bananas, leafy greens, like spinach, and Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt adds creaminess and is a great source of protein. Add a splash of water or juice for desired consistency. You can also add a bit of honey or a few dates for extra sweetness if needed. Enjoy your guilt-free fast food delights. Section 5. Practical tips for a healthy fast food lifestyle. In today's fast-paced world, maintaining a healthy diet can be challenging, especially when fast food is often the most convenient option. However, with a few practical tips, you can enjoy fast food while still making healthy choices. Plan your meals ahead of time to avoid unhealthy impulse choices. By taking a few minutes each week to plan your meals, you can ensure that you have healthy options readily available, reducing the temptation to grab something unhealthy on the go. Pack your lunch with nutritious options like salads or wraps. Preparing your own meals allows you to control the ingredients and portion sizes, ensuring that you get the nutrients you need without the extra calories and unhealthy additives often found in fast food. Grill or bake chicken breast seasoned with your favorite spices. Grilling or baking is a healthier cooking method compared to frying, as it reduces the amount of unhealthy fats in your meal. Slice the chicken and wrap it in a whole wheat tortilla with lettuce, tomato, and a dollop of plain yogurt or hummus. This combination provides a balanced meal with lean protein, whole grains, and fresh vegetables. When ordering out, check the menu for healthier options. Many restaurants now offer lighter fare or dishes that are lower in calories and fat, making it easier to stick to your healthy eating plan even when dining out. Don't be afraid to ask for modifications like grilled instead of fried. Most restaurants are willing to accommodate special requests, so don't hesitate to ask for healthier cooking methods or substitutions. You have the power to make healthy choices. By being mindful of your options and making small adjustments, you can enjoy fast food without compromising your health. Remember, every healthy choice you make is a step towards a better lifestyle. Section 6. The power of hydration. Water is your best friend. It keeps you feeling full and helps your body function properly. Carry a reusable water bottle with you and sip on it throughout the day. Skip the sugary sodas and opt for water, unsweetened tea, or sparkling water with a squeeze of lemon. Staying hydrated is essential for a healthy lifestyle. Section 7. Mastering portion control. Be mindful of your portion sizes. When eating out, consider sharing a meal or taking half of it home. Use smaller plates and bowls to help control your portions visually. Listen to your body and eat until you're satisfied, not overly full. Section 8. Embrace the delicious world of healthy fast food. Eating healthy doesn't have to be boring or restrictive. With a few simple swaps and a little creativity, you can enjoy your favorite fast food without the guilt. Remember, it's all about making sustainable changes that fit your lifestyle. So go ahead, indulge in a healthy and delicious fast food meal.